How to fix Rainbow Six says Axe not available at the time at PS5 Error. Hey guys, if you're having that kind of issue, you may follow up these steps in order to fix it. The first thing you need to do is you need to have this base game of Rainbow Six Axe installed. Then only you will be getting the access of free one that you can use on PS5. So the thing is, you need to have this installed on your device. You can just go ahead and install Rainbow Six base game first, and that should automatically install the other one. Now what you can do is you can head over to Ubisoft Connect as well. It is another medium you can use in order to download Rainbow Six. So you can just head over and look out for the base game from here as well, and it will automatically download another one that you're looking for. Once you are here on Ubisoft, the next process you can do is you can head over your profile in the top and then head over to account management. And then from here, you can just wait for your account management to load up, head over to account information, and from here, you may scroll down, look for linked accounts option, and you need to have this PlayStation Network. If it's not linked yet, you can click on link and you can provide in your credentials in here. After that, continue with the process and link your PlayStation Network, and that should do. Apart from that, what you can do is if you have already completed this process, you can head over and download it from PlayStation Store. Instead, head over to PlayStation Store. For that, open up PlayStation Store, and you can directly here in the search, just search for Rainbow Six and type in that. And hit enter. And there you will be getting the game, so you can just head over and look it up. You need to be signed in for that, and you can look out for the latest update and the collection, and that should kind of help you fix the issue. You can try uninstalling and updating the application. So you may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.